Hello, welcome back to our channel .NET Experts. In today's video, we will be discussing exciting world of Azure data engineering and skills required to become an Azure data engineer. So if you are passionate about data and ready to take your career to the next level, so this video is for you. So let's jump right in. As an Azure data engineer, you will be responsible for designing, implementing and maintaining data solutions on Azure Data Platform. To excel in this role, there are few key skills you need to master. Let's start with Azure SQL Database. So Azure SQL Database is a fully managed relational database service that provides high performance, scalability and security. As a data engineer, you must have a strong understanding of data concept, SQL, SQL querying and data modeling. Proficiency in Azure SQL Database will empower you to design efficient data storage structures and optimize query performances. Moving on, let's talk about Azure Data Factory. It is a cloud-based data integration service that enables you to orchestrate and automate data movement and transform workflow. Basically, it is used for ETL pipelines. Being skilled in Azure Data Factory allows you to efficiently extract data from a source, transform it according to your need and your business needs, and load it into data destinations. In addition to Azure Data Factory, familiarity with Azure Databricks is crucial for a data engineer. Databricks is basically used for data transformation and it is used for big data. Azure Databricks is an Apache Spark-based analytics platform that provides powerful data processing and machine learning capabilities. With Azure Databricks, you can analyze large datasets, build complex data pipelines, and perform advanced analytics and machine learning tasks. Another essential skill for Azure data engineers is Azure Synapse Analytics, formerly known as Azure SQL Data Warehouse. Azure Synapse Analytics combines big data and data warehousing capabilities, enabling you to ingest, prepare, and manage serve data for analytics purpose. Mastering Azure Synapse Analytics will allow you to design scalable data warehousing solutions and leverage advanced analytics tools. And last but not the least, let's not forget about Azure Cosmos DB. It is a globally distributed multi-model database service that provides low latency, scalable and storage for modern applications.